Are you ready to elevate your practice and stay ahead in the ever-evolving field of aesthetic medicine? Join us at IAPAM's exclusive Aesthetic Medicine Symposium, where you'll gain cutting-edge knowledge and practical skills from industry leaders. Our hands-on workshops ensure you master the latest techniques in Botox, fillers, laser treatments, and medical weight loss. Can't attend in person? No problem. With IAPAM's Learning Lab, you can access comprehensive online training anytime, anywhere. Our expertly designed courses provide the flexibility you need to learn at your own pace while receiving the same high-quality education.
Thank you so much for the experience at the IPAM conference. Wow, what an amazing event. I literally learned so much, and I have so many resources, so many contacts. I am forever grateful for this experience.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a DNP out of Western New York. I attended the IPAM meeting for weight loss, aesthetics, and business, and it was such a fun weekend. I was a little bit tearful to leave, and the program really focuses around a starting point and then building on into your future. And so I'm kind of starting from ground zero, and so this kind of was there for me, but it was also there for people that had started or had a starting point. So it was really a good program, well-rounded, and I can't wait to start.
Take the next step in your career. Register now for the Aesthetic Medicine Symposium and explore IAPAM's Learning Lab for comprehensive online training. Start your journey in the field today.